Hey guys, having fun with broken exhaust manifold studs here. I'm going to show you how I do it with a MIG welder, which this is just my Flux 125. I didn't feel like bringing the Hobart over here, dragging it across all this crap. So I just thought I'd get this little bad boy over here. What we're going to do is we're going to put a dab of weld, basically like a stud coming out of here. And we're going to put a nut on it and then simply just fill the nut full of weld, essentially. So you kind of want to clean some of the grease off of it as much as you can. And make sure you have your OSHA approved footwear, safety equipment, and your junky phone stand. Some of the flux off here. And remember, the heat is going to help loosen the bolt that's inside the head as well. Alright, that should be something to what we'll do is we'll put the nut inside, fill it. Got her nice and cherry red, but we're going to let it cool down because remember, when it's red, it's pretty much liquid and soft. Let her cool just a bit. Sometimes you might have to do this a few times. So, what we have happening here is we filled it full of weld. It feels like it's going to work. Feels like it's going to work. And remember, this is an aluminum head with a steel stud, and you're using a steel bolt. So you're not going to really damage the cylinder head. Now, if you had an iron cylinder head or something, that might be a little bit of a story. You don't want to cut into the head with the weld. We're just going to spin it out here. Voila, see there? See the threads. No damage at all. By the way, I recommend this thing, man. It weighs like 16 pounds. You could just throw it in the car. Excellent welder. That's how it's done.